Hi everybody, Colin here again. Just giving you a wee quick update on the Euro GB that we were talking about in Series 1, Episode 4, where would you put your stops. As I said then, I don't put stops. I usually have a trailing stop on long runs on the 1 hour, 4 hour and daily, but you can do this also on sort of any time frame. I don't try and do it in less than the 1 hour to be fair, but on this one here I said earlier on when I was showing you all the different areas, we left it when it was about here, okay, where it is right now, and I did say to you in the previous video that if it took off and hit this area here, I would get out, because the 4 hour and the 1 hour is trying to do a retracement at the moment, okay, and the weakness is starting to well should come in by then. So it came up and actually broke through it, and I was doing something else and I realized at about here that it broke through it, so I closed the trade. Even if it comes back down again and goes back up again, and you would have lifted your stop here up to here, so it came back up again and then it came back down. I took you out there, so I ended up getting extra pips. It was about here somewhere, so let's say it was somewhere around here. Sorry, I just want to find the area where I got in at, so I just need to do this and then pull it back here. So when I saw it, it was somewhere around here, so I did exit on the long term, and 140, no, it was only 136, so where I got out was 236 pips, not 241 pips, so it was 236 pips from here to there, and I'm now out of it. If it goes back up again, does a higher high, I don't care. I've come out with what I wanted to come out with, but it's more likely this is now starting a downward trend on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour. Okay, so if the 1 hour comes down and touches here, say, and goes back up again, it'll not break the high of here. It'll touch up in here somewhere and it'll come back down again. And then at that stage, when the 4 hour has, I'll probably get it back in it on the buy on the 1 hour, but when the 4 hour comes the whole way back down and gives me a buy on it, I'm back in it long term again. Okay, but I thought I would give you the update. It was sitting about here. I did say it was going to hit here. It did hit here, and now showing signs of going down, which I said would happen. So I thought I would give you an update on it. Please like the videos, subscribe if you haven't, go and watch the rest of the videos, and I look forward to bringing the next one out and look forward to seeing you. Okay, happy trading. Bye for now.